Alright, y'all, so we got a client's car. Bumper's messed up. Got a little chunk right here. Basically, that's what we're gonna be doing. So, probably gonna cut this thing like that, because you don't need to do all this crap. Line this up where it needs to be at. Cut. And then I'll plastic weld this one in. Alright, y'all, so I got that piece cut off on the bottom. Got it sanded down, smooth, it's ready to go. And I put this thing up here, and I'm like, alright. I was looking at it like, that does not look right. There's like a little curve right here that comes to a high point, like this. And I was like, why the hell does it not look right? So then I took that off, started looking, I see this little tab. I'm like, okay. I look at this one. This one also has a tab. And I look at this, that's got a tab. I'm like, okay. I look over and I see there's a fin and there's a mounting point. I look at this, there's a fin and a mounting point. Same for the side. So then I was like, okay, let me just do it like this. Match these fins up, and boom, this piece was cut too short. So now I got this outline. Alright, y'all, it took forever, but this finally fits in here. Not the best. There is gaps all over because I went from the outside. I should have stuck this piece on the inside. Alright, y'all, so this is what I learned. Let this mug get as hot as it can be, and this is how you do it, bro. So you put it down, you hold it, and then you just wiggle it back and forth, and it walks. Alright, this is how I know she's straight. Number one, she likes dude. No, I'm just kidding. So I took my palm sander and I just laid it like this. Hold on. It's pushed down flat. And it sanded it on both sides at the same time. Alright, you guys, first time fiberglassing. There's something you don't see every day. Made in the United States, bro. I got the fiberglass resin and the hardener mixed up. I got fiberglass mat. Lay it down. This shit stinks, dude. Alright, you guys, the fiberglass is completely dry, and this is what it's looking like. It looks horrible, but for my first time using fiberglass, it's not that bad, bro. Alright, you guys, the next day here. My roommate decided to go ahead and move the bumper last night, and yeah, the fiberglass came up. Alright, guys, got this damn thing sanded down as best as I could. I broke out a little piece and just went ham on it, and then went back with that, and it's good enough, bro. Alright, you guys, got this all cleaned up with some rubbing alcohol. About to dip into this Bondo, bro. I just took a pizza box, cut it up, took some aluminum foil, wrapped it around it, taped it on the back. That's gonna be my makeshift mixer. Ski! Oh, that makes it well enough. Oh well. Oh, I need to get it off here. Spread this shit out more. Alright, man, I'm gonna do this better off camera, bro. Well, guys, this is the first layer of Bondo. Alright, yo, next day, it's like 9 in the morning. I'm about to sand all this down and get this damn thing done, dude. I need to go to the junkyard and get the mounting points that go here. A few hours later, we got some new sandpaper, 220. Started sanding it all down. Damn, dude, that's flat smooth. Well, it kind of split. So I was in the middle of sanding it. I was moving the bumper around a little bit, being careful with it, and it just freaking split. All right, y'all, so I'm just gonna hit it up with this damn plastic adhesion promoter. Make sure I clean the freaking tip off this time. And then I'm gonna hit it up with this primer, and then I'm just gonna paint it, dude. It's warm enough to paint, I guess. But yeah, dude. I'm sick of this shit. It's been like a week and I'm ready to call it quits. You know, it actually doesn't look bad in primer, dude. It looks good. I went ahead and primered where all the black was showing through, like right here and stuff. Still showing through a little bit, some areas, but you know what, dude? It is what it is. So I'm not even gonna mask any of this off because all this is gonna be removed and painted purple, pretty sure. And the chrome, I'll have to take that, clean it and polish it. But these are like reflectors or something like that. I can clean all this. If you guys are new to the channel, I'm pretty much a king at removing overspray. Y'all see all this? That's why it's important to wear that mask. Anyway, dude. Oh yeah. Should be looking good. This is just one coat. I didn't paint the whole thing now, but hell yeah. You guys can definitely see how shitty that patch job is now. Because the Bondo didn't get sanded down good enough.